In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify into QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your Shopify sales flowing into QuickBooks, so you can cut down on manual entry and keep your books current with far less effort. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to the company you want to connect. Make sure you're using an admin or a user with permission to manage apps, so you can install integrations without running into access issues. From the Home dashboard, look for the area where QuickBooks groups productivity tools. Depending on your layout, you'll see an option labeled Apps or Integrations. That's where we'll work today. Head into the Integrations or Apps section. This is QuickBooks' built-in marketplace for connectors and add-ons. If your menu shows a Get Things Done page, you can access integrations from there as well. The wording can vary slightly by region, but the goal is the same. Open the place where you can find and manage app connections. Next, select Find Integrations to open the full catalog. You'll see a search bar and categories. Using the search keeps things quick and avoids scrolling through unrelated results. Type Shopify into the search bar. Look for the official Shopify connector that works with QuickBooks Online or a well-reviewed app from a trusted provider. Check the description to confirm it syncs orders, refunds, taxes, fees, and payouts the way you need. Glance at ratings and pricing so there are no surprises later. If you operate in multiple currencies or collect tax, make sure the app mentions support for those. Before you proceed, confirm you have an active QuickBooks Online subscription. The integration requires a paid plan to connect and sync data. When you're ready, open the Shopify app listing and click the option to connect or install. You'll be guided through authorization screens where you grant permission for QuickBooks and Shopify to share data. Sign in to the right accounts, select the correct company in QuickBooks, and approve the requested permissions. During setup, you may be asked to choose what to sync, from which date to start, and which accounts to use for sales, deposits, shipping, discounts, and fees. Start with a recent date to keep the first sync manageable, and review tax mapping so your reports reflect accurate rates. If you're unsure about account mapping, you can accept the defaults and refine them after your initial sync. Once connected, let the app run its first import, then open your sales and banking sections in QuickBooks to verify that orders and payouts look correct. From there, you're integrated and ready to work more efficiently.